Hello kids, welcome to the class. Hope you all are fit and fine, right? And helping your parents for doing some of the course. Yes or no? So, let's start our topic. So, today we are going to discuss about another important topic in your English grammar, and that is all about your adjectives. Okay kids, so today we are going to discuss about adjectives. Have you heard the word adjectives? Yes, you have heard many times this word. Can you tell me what do you mean by adjective? Okay, adjectives are what? Adjectives are your describing words. Yes or no? So, as you know that nouns are your naming words. Yes or no? Yes. And your verbs are what? Your action words. Similarly, your adjectives are called as your describing words. And one thing you have to remember here is what? Adjectives are the describing words for only nouns or pronouns, not for verbs. Okay, why? Because the particular describing words for verbs are again called as your adverbs. Okay, that one we will discuss about later. But now we are going with the adjectives which describes about the noun or pronoun. Now why pronoun? Pronoun why is because pronouns are nothing but these are the replacing words for your noun. Okay, so that means the noun and pronoun are related. So what are the examples of your pronouns? Yes, you can say that I, you, we, okay, he, she, it. These all are called as your pronouns, right? So that's why the adjectives are what your, these are the describing words for noun or pronoun. Okay, that means it gives extra information about the nouns and pronouns. Okay, understood? So whenever somebody asks you what is the adjective, yes kids, you have to answer yes, adjectives are describing words of nouns or pronouns. Okay, and also what? It gives extra information about nouns and pronouns. Understood? So let me clear you the particular concept of adjective with some examples. Okay, so let's see the first example. What is this? The first example is, you can see here, Ram is a tall boy. One sentence is here, Ram is a tall boy. So here we have to find out the adjective. So always kids, you remember that whenever you are finding out the adjective in the sentence, don't forget to find out the noun first, then you go for adjective. Okay? Why? Because if you are able to find out the noun, then it will be easier for you to find out the adjective. Why? Because adjectives are nothing but these are the describing words for noun. So if you got the noun, then you can find out the describing word for the noun itself. Okay, so see here, first we have to underline the what? We have to find out which one is your noun. Okay, so here we can see Ram is what? Your noun. Yes or no? Ram is a tall boy. In this sentence, Ram is a noun. Yes, and another noun is also there. Are you able to see? Yes, boy is also a noun. So what is the difference? Ram is a proper noun and boy is common noun, right? So in a sentence we can have one or more than one nouns. Yes or no? So here you can see that Ram and boy are your what? Nouns, right? So which one is your adjective? So now you can tell me that the word which describes Ram is called as your what? That is the adjective. Yes or no? So can you tell me which one is describing about the noun here? Yes kids, the word tall is describing about the Ram. So what type of boy is Ram? Ram is a tall boy. That means it gives extra information about Ram, the noun. Yes or no? Yes. So here tall is called as your adjective. Understood kids? So the word which gives extra information or describes about the noun, whichever present in the sentence, then that is called as your word adjective. Okay. So next see, so here what happens? So here in this first sentence, the adjective is about your shape or size. Okay, we can say that this is describing about the size of a particular noun. Yes or no? Next moving to where we can use number as an adjective. Okay kids? So let's see the next example. You can see here, next example is what here? I have 5 apples. What is the sentence? I have 5 apples. Okay, so can you find out which one is the noun? Yes. Here apples is your word, this is the noun, and which is in its plural form. Yes or no? Yes, apples, right? Can you tell me which one is the adjective here? Yes kids, the number 5 which describes the noun. So how many apples I have? I have 5 apples. Okay, so here the number 5 is describing the noun apples. How many apples? 5 apples. So that's why 5 is your adjective. Clear? So a adjective can explain about or describe about the shape, size or number of noun. Okay. Next we will move to another example where the describing word adjective is describing about the age of a particular person. Okay. So let's see here. In the third example you can see here, Rita is 10 years old. Okay. So Rita is 10 years old. So here you can see that Rita is your what? Noun, or you can say that this is the proper noun. So which word is describing about Rita? Yes, the word 10 years. 10. Okay kids, that means what? So 10 is the adjective, right? So adjective can be a size, can be a shape, can be a number and can also be a age. Clear? And we can also use describing words for different types. So what are that? So you can see here adjectives describe about the adjectives describe about the what? Size of a noun, shape of a noun, color of a noun. That means if I'm saying that the color of this pen is white, okay, that means the particular thing it is describing about the color of this thing, right? So that's why the word white is also coming under your word adjective. Okay, why? Because this is giving extra information about the particular noun. Okay. So here you can see that adjectives describe about the size of a noun, shape of a noun, color of a noun, number of a noun. Here we went through example, right? Yes, and quantity. Like you can say that much, many, any, okay, little quantity. So about your quantity also it will give the information. Next is what? Order. Are you writing the ordinal numbers first, second, third, fourth? Yes kids, these are also coming under your what? These are also coming under your what? Adjectives. Okay. Next is what? The adjectives can also be like belongings. If I am saying that this is my pen. So here I am saying that yes, the word me or my. Okay. So this pen is mine. Or if I am saying that this is my pen. So the word my is describing about the book and which shows the what? Belonging of this particular thing. Yes or no? So that's why this is called as your what? This is the belongings, which is also a describing word. Okay. So these are the examples. So next class we will discuss about your types of adjectives. Okay.